Good habits make time your ally. Bad habits make time your enemy. Hi everybody, my name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been a trainer since 2005. I have been training the people at Jeet Pinnacle Institute. It is your trusted spoken English training center where an attitude is trained. As I began to speak, I said one sentence: good habits make time your ally, bad habits make time your enemy. How? Because habits are two-edged swords. They're kind of. So what part of the sword you are gonna accept, it is up to you. In beginning we make the habits, and if habits are good, so it means these habits are gonna make you better. In beginning you are making the habits, but once they deepen into your life, they completely go into your life, so automatically they start working. These habits really work precisely. You need to make these habits in beginning, but if you make bad habits, so in beginning you make the bad habits, later on these habits completely kill you. So you need to understand what kind of age you are going to accept, because that sword is really going to approach you. So if you make good habits, so what will happen? You can enhance your skills, you can make lots of affirmations, you can work upon your gratitude, you can make your world better, your world, and you can bring the people in your universe because of your good habits, because you are adding the values in their life. But if habits are bad, so what may happen? You may go into the wrong path, nobody would be guiding you. Habits are making you, because in beginning you gave the good time to the habits, and when the habits have been cultivated by you, so now they are cultivating you, they are enhancing your skills, but in bad way, because they are bad habits, they are killing you. So you need to understand what age you are gonna accept, because our habits are kind of two-edged sword. Of course, if it is good, so you are gonna get the lots of benefits through these habits. I think if you do not know how to read the book and you begin to read the book, in beginning you are gonna face the problem, but it is good habit. So every good habit takes time. It is not a day task, you can make it possible. Of course, if I say you cannot make it possible, it does not mean you are not going to make it. You will make it, but it will take too much time. Some people take 1 month, some people take 2 months, at least 21 days a good habit requires. If you want to cultivate any kind of good habit, it takes 21 days. So suppose if I want to go for the reading the book, so I cannot cultivate this habit within a day, because I am to read the books, does not mean I am to buy. Reading the books, it means I am to buy the books. I am to, of course, read e-books. If I am unable to buy the books, I will go for the e-books. There I can save my time. Some people don't have the time to carry the book. Some people love taking the books along with themselves. Some people are unable to take the books along themselves, so they go through the e-books. Instantly, whenever they get free, they read it. So these ideas can come when you begin to read the books. And in beginning, you will find lots of problems. And if you go for the problems, then you are being a part of the problem. You need to look for the solution as well. So you will find the solution, that how I can read the books through ebook. You can write on laptop, you can read on laptop, you can go through just mobile, or else there are lots of things which can help you. The bestest thing, there is audio, just books, you can listen to the audio, they will be speaking, you only need to listen. So you are cultivating any kind of good habit, and later on this habit will make you, because you are making the habit, so the habit will make you later on. So somehow today, one day you are giving, next day 2 days, third day 3 days, then by and by when you will start cultivating the good habits, so what will happen? Automatically you will get into the habit of listening to the audios, reading the books. So this is the one habit you have cultivated now. So now you need to do what? Now already you have been listening to read audio, you have been listening to any kind of English songs and all, but how you maintain it, it is important. If you do it for a day, so it will not be a good habit, but if you are making it every day and you are cultivating it, so it will convert into your good habit, and you will make it better later on, not today. So it's a two-edged sword. And you need to understand always this word is gonna approach you. So whenever you are gonna make any kind of habit, so at least work upon it for 21 days, and believe in me, you will cultivate this good habit. But if this habit is bad, so in beginning you are making this bad habit, later on this bad habit will make you bad. So try to accept good habit and enjoy your life. Thanks guys for listening to me. If you are liking this video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep sharing. Keep being motivated and keep motivating yourself also and others also. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.